Hi, welcome to Dental Academy. This video is going to show you how to apply for admission to start the Chairside Dental Assistant program. Just a few things before we get started. To start the Chairside Dental Assistant program, you minimally need a valid government issued ID. Examples would include driver's license, ID card, passport, military ID, government issued ID. Second thing you need is a minimum high school diploma or equivalent. This means that you may present to us a GED, you may present to us your actual high school diploma, you may present to us a transcript that shows that you graduated, a valid transcript. You may also present to us a college transcript. You don't have to show that you graduated because remember the minimum is high school diploma or equivalent. Once you make sure you have those things, you can apply for admission and almost be guaranteed admission. So you go to the website www.mydaac.com or dentalassistantacademyofchicago.com. Hover over apply now, choose the Chairside Dental Assistant program. If you have started an application already, you want to put in your email, it will pull up your application that you already started. If you've never applied, you've never started an application, you just put in your email. It's still gonna search for you just in case you forgot. Search for my email. Is this you? Yes, this is me. If it's not you, at this point in the application process, it will pull up a screen for the application. Now, it's sending me my password and login just in case I forgot it. So, if you don't see your password and login in your email, be sure to check your spam folder. If you still do not see it in your email, feel free to go to the website and click on inquiry and ask us to assist you with finding your password or phone call. The best thing to do is email. So I don't want to start my application. I already have one. At the top of the screen, when you're on our page, you'll see student login, top right corner. Use your student ID. Your student ID might be your password if you have not changed your password or if you were not assigned a password. In the event that you forget your password, you click forgot password. Once you log in, 9 times out of 10, your password is going to be your student ID. Once you log in, you come to this screen. Remember, you filled out your application. Once you fill out your application, now we need you to upload those required documents. We need your high school diploma or equivalent or higher, minimally, and we need your government issued ID. Resumes are also very helpful. It doesn't have to be a perfect resume, but just something for us to assist you with later in the program. You would need to click on My Uploads in the upper right corner of the student portal. This is your student portal. You've logged into your student portal. Once you log into your student portal, you're not a student yet, so you need to upload documents for enrollment. On the left side of the screen, the blue button, you click that. Now, it says upload an enrollment document only if the school asks you to. Remember, you're trying to become a member of this amazing academy, so we need you to upload your enrollment document. You choose the type of file. It's the same way that you would attach an email. It's the same way that you would attach different things to Facebook, Instagram, email, same thing. If you're using your cell phone to take pictures, you would take a picture and you would do the same thing from your phone, because maybe you're uploading it from your phone, and you would attach it. You would choose a category. If you're uploading an ID, you can choose student ID photo. If you're uploading your high school diploma, your GED, your high school transcript, college transcript, your equivalents, you would choose enrollment requirement document. If you're uploading something that we need to assist you, like as far as like a WIOA grant or as far as a military grant, you would upload the financial aid documents. This is where you would upload any Any documents that are requested that are not a school assignment, you would place it in this area. Once you do that, we will receive the document and review it and get back to you within 72 hours. Thank you.